crabby face.
She's protesting it so bad lately.
Does it hurt her throat, maybe? The grainy texture of it? Or is she
I
just
think she's just tired of
being
She wants food.
steak and potatoes?
Hey, that looks like fun.
And some more? Emma? Emma? Want some more food? What are you doing? Johnny turned Fifi off? Huh? You're awfully engrossed on the monkey. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
These are rats. Look how he uses his hands to eat. These are gerbils. They're very busy, aren't they?
This furry friend is a ferret.
And some more? Here's some more.
This is a rabbit.
My goodness.